The topic is position vector. Now the topic is position vector. It is used to find the location of object in a plane. The position vector is what? What is the position vector? Now the position vector is used to find you determine the location of object in a plane. The position vector is used to find the location of object in a plane. The position vector is used to find the location of object in a plane. The position vector is used to find the location of an object in a plane. Now suppose, now write down this another. The position vector is used to find the position vector is used to find the location of object in a plane. The position vector is used to find the location of object in a plane. Position vector is used to find the location of object in a plane. The position vector is represented as capital R. Position vector is represented as capital R. Or the position vector is represented as capital R. It starts from origin. The position vector starts from origin. Position vector starts from origin and terminates at any point, arbitrary point, and ends at any point in a plane. The position vector starts from origin and ends at any point in a plane. Position vector starts from origin and ends at any arbitrary point in a plane. Okay. So now the position vector is used to find the position of a determined position vector is used to determine position of object, position of a point of a particular point. The position vector is used to determine position of any particular position of a particular point with respect to origin. The position vector is used to determine position of a particular point with respect to origin. The position vector is used to determine position of a particular point with respect to origin. I write down this. Now we will evaluate the I write down this. Suppose this is a xy plane. This is a xy plane. The unit vector along x-axis is represented by I. This is the unit vector along x-axis, and this is the unit vector along y direction, एंड इसके अलॉन्ग जो हमारा क्या के हो जाता है के, इसके अलॉन्ग के होगा यूनिट वेक्टर अलॉन्ग द डायरेक्शन, एंड दिस इज द पॉइंट पी. सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट पी एंड ये ज्वाइन कर देंगे. ये ओ क्या ओरिजिन है, ओ इज द ओरिजिन, ओ इज द ओरिजिन. दिस पॉइंट पी, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट मान लेते हैं कि एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एक्स वाई एंड जेड है. X, Y, and Z. The key is the unit vector. Here key is the unit vector along Y direction, Z direction. K is the unit vector. K is the unit vector along Z direction. This is write down this. तो OP is the position vector. OP जो हमारा होगा क्या होगा, जो लाइन OP है ये क्या होगी, this is the position vector. OP is the position vector. Line OP, here line OP is the position vector. This is the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. This is the origin O. This point is P. इसका कोऑर्डिनेट मान लेते हैं x, y, and z है. I यूनिट वेक्टर I, इधर j यूनिट वेक्टर, and along z-axis यूनिट वेक्टर k. Then OP is the position vector. That is the R vector. Then position vector R क्या होगा? Then position vector R equal to OP वेक्टर हो जाता है, and this equal to XI plus YJ plus ZK. XI plus YJ plus ZK. This is the position vector. क्या होगा? This is the point P. Here the point P has a coordinate. Where the point P has, suppose a point P is represented in a x, y, z plane, and point P has a coordinate x, y, z. The unit vector along x direction is y, along y direction is j, along z direction is k. J direction k. Then position vector R is represented by capital R vector equal to OP vector. That equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Here O is the origin. O is the origin. Origin अब इसको हमने write down this. Now write down this. the position vector are equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, then mod of the position vector is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now this is the mod of the position vector. I write down this. The scalar product of two vector scalar product two vector. Then what happen? Scalar product of two vector is what? Suppose one vector is A equal to x1i plus yj plus y1j plus z1k, and B vector is equal to x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Then what happened? Then A dot B, the scalar product is represented by what? Then scalar product is represented by equal to A dot B vector, that equal to x1i plus y1j plus z1k, one bracket dot x2i ब्रैकेट में x2i प्लस y2j प्लस z2k, x2i ये हो गया y2j. ठीक है, इसको हमने ठीक ना दिस इज इक्वल टू, अब x1 x2 हो जाएगा, x1 x2 यानी कि i का i में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. जब दो वेक्टर का स्केलर प्रोडक्ट निकालते हैं तो i यूनिट वेक्टर का कोफिशिएंट i इंटू दूसरे i यूनिट वेक्टर के कोफिशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई होगा, j यूनिट वेक्टर का कोफिशिएंट दूसरे j यूनिट वेक्टर के कोफिशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, एंड k यूनिट वेक्टर का कोफिशिएंट दूसरे वेक्टर के k ये इन वेक्टर के कोफिशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, दैट इज x1 x2 प्लस y1 y2 प्लस z1 z2। दिस इज द आंसर। उसी तरह से n वेक्टर में तो x1 x2 x3 xn प्लस y1 y2 y3 डॉट डॉट yn प्लस z1 z2 z3 zn। इस तरह से स्केलर प्रोडक्ट n वेक्टर का हम निकाल सकते हैं। ठीक, तो उसी तरह से व्हेन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ n वेक्टर then coefficient of I vector gets multiplied with each other plus product of coefficient of j into vector plus product of coefficient of k into vector. Then if they are given in vector, suppose if there are n in vector, if there are n vectors, then there is scalar product scalar product is equal to what? x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k dot x2 I plus y2 j plus z2 k dot xn I plus yn j plus zn k। देन व्हाट हैपन, तो ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, देन स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, x1 x2 x3 xn प्लस y1 y2 y3 yn plus z1 z2 z3 zn so on। The scalar product of a vector is always a scalar quantity। तो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट, वन पॉइंट टू बी नोट डाउन here, one point to be note down is what, scalar product of vectors is always a scalar quantity। Right? The scalar products of vector is always a scalar quantity। The scalar product of vector is always a scalar quantity। The scalar product of vectors is always a scalar quantity। The scalar products of vector is always a scalar quantity। Now suppose example, we have one example, a vector is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and b vector is equal to I plus j minus k. Then a dot b vector is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k gets multiplied by I plus j minus k. ठीक. Then what happened? Then a dot b, दो का एक से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 है, यहाँ भी 1 हो जाएगा, तो 2 plus 3 minus 4, and that equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the a dot b. This is the answer. The minus 1 is a scalar quantity. Now the vector product of the vector. Now let's say, now note down this. Now the vector product of two vector. Vector product of two vector. Suppose let's a vector is equal to let's a vector is equal to a1 I plus b1j plus c1k, and b vector is equal to a2i plus b2j plus c2k. Then a cross vector product is what? Take. And vector product is what? Then vector product of vector A and B is represented by A cross B vector. A cross B vector. The vector product of A vector and B vector is represented by A cross B vector. That equal to what? Determinant I j k a1 b1 c1 a2 a2 b2 and c2. This is the vector product of vector A and vector B. ये डिटर्मिनेंट शो करता है, ये किसको शो करता है? डिटर्मिनेंट होता है, ठीक. Now same example. Now we'll try the same example here. Suppose example A vector is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k, and B vector equal to I plus j minus k. Then A cross B, A cross B vector is equal to I J K 2 3 1 1 1 minus 1. इसका कहना ये product. Then I equal to, then this equal to, ये प्लस होता है ये माइनस, ये प्लस, जो सिंबल होता है ये प्लस होता है, ये माइनस, ये प्लस, तो आई ब्रैकेट में ये जगह इधर से करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये -3 -1 -4 -3 ये 4 होता है ना, तो -3 और -4 क्या हो जाएगा, ये -3 और -4 -j, जे कैसे जाता है -2 -4 प्लस के का ऐसे हो जाएगा कि 2 -3 3, देन एग्जाम्पल क्या हो जाएगा, या A cross this equal to -7i plus 6j -1 minus k. This is the A cross B, and this is the answer. This is all about scalar product and position vector. This is all about scalar product, vector product and position vector. Please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any comment, put your comment in the comment box. I will try to clear all your confusion regarding this subject. So again I request, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
के साथ साथ सबकी जरूरत है चेन